Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to learn about measurements. Okay, so in measurements we are measuring length, width of the object, etc. So how do we measure the objects? Do you know children? Okay, I will explain you. Okay, we measure the object by Systeme International Unit. Okay, children, listen carefully. We measure small things or small object by standard units, okay, such as inches, feet, kilogram, cups, pounds, centimeter, millimeter, ounces, etc. And non-standard units are finger width, cubit, foot span, hand span, pace, etc. We used to measure the length of the objects by non-standard units, such as look at in your page 44. Just observe this picture and try to understand. For example, your cell and your eraser, pencil pouch, your table, your school board, all those things. Children, you can do this activity by yourself, page number 45, using your hands and foot. You may observe this flow chart. There are two types of measurements: standard units and non-standard units. Standard units means it is always constant. It is always same. Okay, like what? Millimeter, centimeter, kilometer, meter, all those things. But non-standard units is, it may varies from person to person. You will ask me how. So it depends on the length of their hands. Different person has different length of their hands. So the sizes of their hand may vary. So the sizes of the or length of the objects may vary. So children, look at the screen. Okay, non-standard units includes finger width, cubit, foot span and hand span and pace, etc. Now clear it children? I hope you would have understood clearly. Now we will move to millimeter and centimeter. Look at this picture, page number 46. Here this is a centimeter scale or ruler. Here 1 denotes 1 centimeter, 2 denotes 2 centimeter and 4 denotes 4 centimeter and so on. Okay. Listen carefully children. The length between 0 and 1, okay, 2 and 3 has 10 parts denoted by small lines. Look at this line, small lines. Measurement of each part by small lines is known as millimeter. It's known as millimeters. Look at this table, short form. Okay, please remember it. Children, look at this scale. Okay, from left side it shows centimeter, and from another side it shows inches from the right side. Centimeter and inches we can use to measure for small things like what? Your scale, your cell phone, your pencil, your table, all those things. Now here I have drawn scale for you. See, look at this figure. Here 0 to 1 it is 1 centimeter. From 1 to 2 is another 1 centimeter. So it is a 1 centimeter like I have drawn. Okay, in the scale as it is same. And now from inside the centimeter there is a millimeter. Look at this blue figure, millimeter. Okay, so from here you have to start measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is a 1 centimeter. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, see 9 is a centimeter. Okay, and 10 is a centimeter. From 9 to 10 is a 1 centimeter. Got it? Look at this table here. 10 millimeter. I have counted here in front of you. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, from here to here 1 centimeter. And 100 centimeter, it is equal to 1 meter. To measure long distances, these two things, especially meter, we can use to measure. It depends on your object. For example, your table, teacher table is a little bigger, means you can measure with the meter. Okay, for long distances you can measure for the kilometer. Long distances, like from your school, your home to school, like this, from home to marketplaces, all those things. Understand? So here this table is very important for you. You have to remember it. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, and 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, we used to measure kilometer for long distances, to measure long distances. Understand? Now children, try to answer these questions by yourself. It will give you more benefit. Look at this picture, children. Millimeter is the smallest unit of length. Okay, and kilometer is the bigger unit of length. That you have to remember. This is very, very important point. And now here the objects which is measured by centimeter, millimeter and meter. See, look at this long object by meter. Okay, medium object centimeter, and this is smallest object, your pencil point, or you can pencil, your eraser, okay, your sharpener, you can measure by millimeter or centimeter. Children, now you can do this activity by yourself. Okay, one important point is, if we measure by using standard units, then our measurement is do not change from person to person, because standard units are constants. Okay, it is constant, it will not change at all. Constant means always same. Okay, it will not change, always same. For example, millimeter, meter, always same.